Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to cancel Amazon Music subscription. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and make sure that your Amazon Music is updated to the latest version. Now, if you subscribe to Amazon Music Unlimited through iTunes, visit the Apple website to cancel your subscription via your settings. And if you signed up through a third party such as Apple, Google, or mobile service provider, you may need to contact the third party to cancel or receive a refund, if any, under its policies. And if you signed up through Amazon, you may cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited plan at any time using the following steps. First, go to your Amazon Music settings, and secondly, go to the Amazon Music Unlimited section, and then thirdly, go and go select the cancel option in your subscription renewal details. And note you can choose to pause your monthly subscription instead of canceling. If your plan is eligible, the pause will become effective at the end of the billing cycle. Your subscription will resume automatically, or you can resume anytime while paused. So pausing your subscription is not available if you are on an annual plan or a free trial or a promotion or a plan signed up through a third party such as Apple, Google, or a mobile service provider. Eventually, just confirm the cancellation. Turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media. See you.